The second basis is on the basis of average profits of previous few years. Now in this case, the average profit of last few years is taken to be the base on which the share of the deceased partner is calculated. Let us understand this by solving this particular example. A, B, C are partners in the ratio of 5:3:2. 6 months after the date of the balance sheet, B expires. As per the partnership deed, the share of the deceased partner is to be calculated on the basis of average profits of last 3 years, which were 5 lakh, 4 lakh and 6 lakh respectively. So students, in this case, the profits are to be calculated on the basis of average profits of last 3 years. So let us find the average profits first. Average profits are equal to rupees 5 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 6 lakhs divided by 3, because for 3 years. So the total comes to rupees 5 lakhs. That means the average profit per year is 5 lakh after dividing the total by 3. Now students, this particular amount is the amount for the entire year. Since B has expired after 6 months, so profits till the date of death would be ₹5 lakh into, for 6 months it is 6 by 12, that makes it rupees 2,50,000. So profits till the date of death are rupees 2,50,000. Again remember students, this is the profit of the firm till the date of death. B has expired. Let us calculate the share of B out of this profits now. So the B's share comes to 3 by 10th, that is his share of profits of 2,50,000, that is profits till the date of death. That means his share comes to be rupees 75,000. Now again the journal entry for this would be profit and loss, suspense account debited to B's capital account, 75,000, and the narration would be being the share of profits of deceased partner transferred to his capital account.